School's a big thing. It's really important that you get school in there. I'm working on biology right now, and it's pretty awesome. It's like super awesome. Since we travel all around the world on tour, the classroom has to come to us. We have a teacher that's out the road with us right now. She's awesome. Her and my mother both make sure that I get my schoolwork done, and working hard to complete high school. But sometimes, my brothers get to have free time, while I have to stay in and study a while.
I'll buy you something nice, I promise. People think it's all a big glamorous thing. Now Nick has to stay back and do his schoolwork. We really work hard at making sure that he gets that put in place, because, you know, a great education is #1.
I love you, Nick. I love you. What are you learning about? Okay, bye-bye.
I'm learning.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye, Frankie. I always wonder what they do when I'm in school. We're going crazy shopping right now in the vintage clothing store. It's awesome.
That is a nice boat. Oh, that looks amazing.
It's awesome.
I feel bad for Nick. He'd be freaking out right now. Maybe we should get him something.
My brothers are always looking out for me.
Yeah, buy them. We understand he has to do school and everything, but it's still kind of like a third of us is missing, so it kind of just doesn't feel fully right.
It's a bummer having to miss out on shopping, but tomorrow I get to experience the coolest thing about going to school on the road. 2 words: field trip. Las Vegas, Nevada, home of the very awesome Titanic Museum. No, you don't get to hang out with Leonardo DiCaprio, but you do learn about the most famous ocean liner in history, which hit an iceberg and sank on its very first voyage. Welcome aboard.
There are days that when we're in a new place that's interesting and there's something fun and different, we get away from the book work, so it's not so tedious, and we take a field trip. And so we're learning a lot of great things today, and so I'm glad. I'm learning too. I love it.
We're going to do some schoolwork. We're going to learn about the Titanic.
Right.
Hands-on learning, that's what our life's all about. Rock.
Everyone gets a boarding pass, and on the boarding pass it tells you who you were as an actual person on that original sail.
Want to be a major?
All right.
I'm age 49.